Here at Cooper Standard, I get to use the knowledge that I've learned from the apprenticeship program and from my peers showing me things to help keep production going and fix machines and troubleshoot machines.
I signed up for the apprenticeship program because I enjoy learning new things, and also I just wanted a chance to succeed more in life.
Oh, I was super excited when I got the notification that I was going to be accepted. Thrilled. I wanted to do more than just running a machine. I wanted to be able to know how it all worked.
We offer mechatronics, machine tool technology, and injection molding apprenticeships in the Spartanburg plant.
We have training inside of the classroom. The other portion is hands-on application that allows the students to take their classroom knowledge and to bring it into the production arena.
As they mature through the program, they actually earn more money. And we pay for their education, their books, anything they need while they're in the program.
I was able to go to a 2-year college to learn a trade. I can afford a car payment or a house payment, and it's gotten me there quicker than if I went to a 4-year school.
You don't know if you don't try. You could have missed out on an opportunity to go further in life instead of just having a job, actually having a career.
If you have run somebody through an apprenticeship program and they have increased their learning potential as a result of working for you, you get a very loyal employee.
I think it's important for Cooper Standard to provide this opportunity because if you develop your people and the people see that you care for them, they're really more apt to be more motivated and more productive. They feel like I'm important enough for them to train me, to put time and effort into me, and I think that pays back dividends to the company.
It makes me feel good about myself. Cooper Standard's done me well, so I want to do them well.
For Cooper Standard, the need to have skilled technicians is critical. You can't replace these people easily, so we have decided that we should have our successors already in progression in the plant.
These people are going to be superstars in the future. They took the program, they embraced it, they took the material that they learned, and they're applying it to their work today. And I see them being very successful in the future.